guys, what's up? Welcome back to this vlog. So today I'm going to be reviewing some fidget toys. So I'm going to pick from my random bucket, and that's the fidget toys we're going to be rating. We're going to be rating 10 in this video. So I'm going to get the basket of fidget toys I'm going to pick from, and I'm going to get whoa, a bunch of stuff just fell. So I'm going to put it back 1 second. My tape right there. Now, I'm also going to do emojis, I think. So I'll show you the box. Dang it. It's really tall, actually. So yeah, it's really tall, and then I have my homemade stress ball in my hand. So let's get some fidgets just out randomly. Oh dang it, my camera just fell. Yeah, so I have monkey noodles out of that you could dream of. So yeah, I think that'll be enough fidgets. Okay, to pick from, like, yeah. So now I'm going to set my camera up again, like it was set up in the first place, but it's a little tilted down. Okay, so now I'm going to just put them all in one pile, actually. Okay, let's put the bigger ones back here. So I have my fidget toys right here. Oh my god, I cannot make this stay for some reason. It will not stay, so at some point in the vlog it will probably crash. So yeah, there's my fidget toys. So basically we're going to be picking from the fidget toys. So first one I'm going to pick is this one. Oh, I know what this one is. This one is, I'm just going to point it on here so you can see me read it better. And you won't see all of them. Okay, so here is the marble mesh. It's really fun. This is the funnest one. Yeah, so I rate some of the good things are it's very quiet, and like if you want to put it in your pocket, you can literally, like, it's mesh, so you can fold it up like that would fit in a pocket, or like this. Since this is the smaller version, I guess it would, but the bigger version, maybe not. So yeah, I rate this maybe a 9 out of 10. It's really fun and I really like it, so yeah. So now marble mesh is going off to the side. I'm going to switch my LED lights to red. It doesn't really look red, but it is, I promise you. I'll go turn my lights off so it's a little bit darker so you can see it better. Okay. So now this one. Okay, I know what I got. I'm going to move my to the side again. So I got this stress ball, my giraffe stress ball. I really like my giraffe stress ball. It's really fun. Ooh, I made blue cheeks. I'm going to just peel it off. I don't like it. Okay, well, there we go. I rate this an 8 out of 10 because, like, I don't really like here. Makes me feel like it's gonna pop. It's also really big and it's kind of noisy. So I couldn't bring this to school. So there's my rating, 8 out of 10. Okay, next. Oh, looks like I got my yellow monkey noodle. That counts as all monkey noodles, I guess. So, yeah, I really like monkey noodles. That's my personal. But they're still really, you know, they're still really, like, they're really big, I guess. And, like, if they slap you, like, if you stretch it and then you let go on one end, you see, like, it can really, really hurt. So I'm going to rate these a 6 out of 10 because I don't really care for monkey noodles. Okay, so that's our third fidget. So now we only have a couple left. We have 7 left. Okay, next I'm going, ooh, looks like I grabbed Pop It. Okay, where's my double Pop It? I literally just saw it. That was weird. I literally just saw it, I swear. That's really weird. But, yeah. We're going to add one fidget in there because I really want to rate this one just in case I can. So, yeah, I really like... Oh, there's my double Pop It. Oh, my God. I really like this. I really like my Pop Its. Let me know if you guys actually want a tutorial on these. And if there's anyone that you want a tutorial on, then just let me know on Roblox or TikTok. My TikTok is GamerBree22. So, yeah. So, next I got this fidget. Has dish soap in it. It's really fun to play with. And I think in my next video, I think I'm going to make this fidget a water snake. Even though it's going to be a dish soap snake. I really like this. It's really fun. So, yeah. I rate this, since it's not done yet, I'm going to rate it probably 7 out of 10. But when it's done, it'll definitely be 10 out of 10. Okay, next. Oh, I got my mochi. So let's just grab all of them. I have 8 mochis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can only find 7 here. Where's my other mochi? Oh, I see my other one. 1 second. We're just processing here. Okay, I got all my emojis. Focus, focus, focus. Like focus, 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 please. So here are all my fidget toys. Okay, so that is our 5th one. So I really like these though. They're really squishy and I really like them. Some of them are really sticky, but I like sticky ones because when they're sticky, they're really fun to play with. So, yeah, I think I'm going to rate mochis a 10 out of 10 because I really like mochis and, yeah, they're my favorite. Okay, next. Looks like we got this. All you need is a balloon. There's tape on it because it popped. In cornstarch, you put the cornstarch inside the balloon. And then, like, it kind of stays. And don't put as less as me unless you want, like, to be like this. But, yeah, like, all the cornstarch, and there's glitter on it. I really like that. So, yeah, I think I rate this actually a 3 out of 10 because it's homemade and I don't really like this. But, yeah, I just told you guys how to make it just in case you want to. I really recommend this fidget if you like squishing stuff because air is good to squish. Okay, so next we're going to add this. By the way, during all the pics, I'm closing my eyes. Then as soon as I touch something, I open it. So I got my Rubik's Cube. I really like my Rubik's Cube. That's really fun. Yeah, so yeah. That is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Fidget. Oh my god. My thing came tumbling down. I told you it would. Oh my god. I cannot keep this stable at all. No way I can keep it stable. Okay, I know what to do. Okay, 1 sec. We're just having camera problems. One second. I'm just covering it with my finger because I could show my face during this. So I don't want to do that actually. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. And now it should be stable for the rest. Okay, so anyways, my Rubik's Cube, I don't like it because you have to do 2 hands. And quite loud. So and it's really small. I like that. So yeah. So I'm gonna rate this a 2 out of 10. I don't really like that. So next I got my texture ball. I run my finger over it a bit. I really like it. I think we're just gonna rate all my fidgets actually. So yeah, here's a good setting. Here's a good setting. So this is a green texture ball. I don't really play with it anymore. Of my first fidgets, I don't really play with it anymore. It used to be my favorite fidget. So I'm going to rate this. I really like doing this. So you hold it by your finger and then you just. I don't know about that. So yeah. So yeah. Next, ooh, I got a fidget spinner. It's not as dark as it looks on camera. It's not as dark as it looks in real person. So this is my fidget spinner. I really actually like it though. Yeah. So I'm going to rate this 5 out of 10. Wait, okay, so next we have paper squishy, which I don't really like at all. My friend made it for me, and so I decided to add it because then she'd get really mad at me. But yeah. I don't really like it, so I'm gonna rate it a 0 to 10. I got my favorite fidget. Like literally, this is a 10 out of 10 automatically. My Pop It. It's really fun to play with. Pop-its are really fun. Actually. Can't really see the ASMR on this side. But yeah, I really like this. I really like Pop-its again. I feel like the last time I really liked them. Okay, ready? So yeah, Pop-it, 10 out of 10 automatically. Okay, next. Oh, I got my fluffy DIY tangle. If you guys want to know how to make this, then comment below. Or DM me on TikTok, GamerBree22, or DM me on Roblox. So say what one you want to make. This one is called the Tangle, and then like the Pop It, say DIY Pop It. And yeah, so next, homemade stress ball, which is really good. I really like this one. It's like really squishy actually. So yeah. Okay, next I'm going to get this one. I don't know if this one. Oh my god, it's my squishy water bottle. I found out how to make this, and let me know if you want to know how to. So yeah. Then we have this fidget. It's really fun. I rate it 5 out of 10 because, like, you know, it's homemade and I don't like homemade. Time for the drum roll, please. I said drum roll. The bottle has glitter if you look very close. I'll shake it up and then hopefully you can see it on camera. Hopefully. Yeah, you just saw it there, like a little go by. But yeah, so that's my sensory bottle. This was one of my first fidgets, so we're gonna rate that 10 out of 10. So yeah, that's all my fidgets. So let me know if you guys. I have 2 other buckets. Wait, I want to show a couple more. That's me, like, I want to show a couple more, please. Okay, so I got more fidget. Let me get. Okay, so this one, another homemade Pop It. So this is going to be homemade Pop It 2, and the other one's going to be homemade Pop It 1. So DM me on Roblox at Sugar Sweet. Sugar is spelt SUGER. I know I spelled it wrong, I'm sorry. So yeah, let me know if you want to do this. It's really fun. Or I might just post a tutorial for all of them. So yeah. I'm not sure though yet. Okay, so next is my favorite stress ball, like ever, literally. It's a little dino. It's really fun because like sometimes I don't squish it, I just play with the Orbeez, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah. And next I have this metallic unicorn. It's a really hard squishy, but you know, it's fine. It's still a toy, so yeah. Okay, I'm trying to make it to as much time possible because I want you guys to watch a lot of my channel, so I want you guys to enjoy my content and stuff as much as I do making them. So wait. A couple more I want to show. This probably will never end. Okay, I'm going to show you my favorite stress ball. Okay, so this narwhal has instant snow in it and air. So, yeah, I love that. And then I have this thing. It's from a choker, I guess. And, like, you can literally just do this, and it's really fun. So, yeah. And then we have this texture. Really fun. So, yeah. So next video is going to be how to make a water snake. And I'm going to show you how I clean up my food in this video. So this is kind of like a 2-in-1. Okay, this is my drawer right here. It's actually. 1 second. I just have to do something. I'm just getting the sweatshirt on, so. And by the way, I'm going to put it on wrong so you guys, there's no way of seeing my face. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to bring him down real quick. So, I'm just bringing him down carefully. And then, yeah. Boop, boop, boop. Boop. I'm just kidding, or ask me if they don't. Okay. So, run away, squishy. Okay, so I got all my fidget toys. And yeah, so let's do this. So, you guys want a face reveal? Here it is. I don't know if you can see me. Honestly, I don't. Okay, so first, let's put away. I can't see, so if I'm like looking for stuff, first, let's put away my monkey noodle. Let's put it. Wait 1 second. Oh yeah, I still had way more to rate. I'm gonna just put 1. My simple dimple, I really like it. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I'm just sitting right now. Okay, let's grab one, and then I'm gonna tell you where it is. Okay, this one goes in this bucket. I'm gonna move some stuff. 1 second. I have 4 buckets of fidgets, but one isn't being used right now, so yeah. This one is just sort of, and then this one, mini homemade poppet. And then another homemade poppet, of course, because, you know, we don't go in there. And then Mr. Turtle that protects my fidgets goes right there. I don't know if this is real chapstick. Yeah, it's real. Okay. That doesn't go. There. So now this homemade stress ball is going in the same place where it came from. So now, whoa, this big fidget is going in there. So now, oh, I think this is one of my favorite stress balls. This is going in the same place it came from. Technically, all of them are going in there, but okay. So now, 2 mochis in there. A texture ball goes in here, actually. This mochi in there. My poppet goes on the other side, so I'm gonna, wait. No, it doesn't, I don't think. Right there, I think. I think I did it right. I gotta put lip chip on. Okay, so now, let's get this one. This one goes in here. And then this one goes in nowhere because I'm using it for my next vid. So now this one goes here. This thing goes right in. So now Mochi is here. In my next bit, I'm actually going to make a mask, I think, out of paper and string. So I can, do Jim on my channel. So my tangle, my homemade one. Okay, so now we got to find, so now my 2 monkey noodles, I have 4, but they're in different places right now. So now, oh, we did a lot of fidgets. So by the way, Mr. Turtley. Okay, so now my squishy water bottle here, I think. So now my Mochi here. Now my Simple Dimple and fidget spinner go in the same place. So now all the rest of my fidgets. I'm just making sure I get all of them, by the way. My hair just saved me there. Literally, I'm not allowed to show my face. So, there we go. That's my fidgets. Bye. Bye. I love you guys. Thank you so much for 3 subs.